All UK property sales are subject to capital gains tax for expats and for residents. There is an exemption for owner main residents, but everybody else, if it's a property rental business, if it's a property rental owned in an individual name, or if it's got significant business or land use, there's a capital gains tax liability on that sale. And for residential property, that's up to 28% or 18%. So not the same capital gains lower level that you would get for investments. The good news is for property investors who own property rental portfolios or commercial property is that the figures were rebased. So from the 5th of April 2015, all property prices were reset. So there's no indexation, but whatever your property value on the 5th of April 2015 is what the capital gain is worked out on. So if you sell your property in December 2022, it's the increase in price between April 15 and December 22 that denotes the gross capital gain off which you can offset costs and allowances. You can't offset mortgage interest on an individually owned property. If you own property in a business through a company, that company can deduct the buy-to-let or the mortgage interest against the expenses. With a company portfolio, the tax liability is for corporation tax. So for a UK company, that would be 19%. With a commercial property, if it's commercial property that you own rather than residential property, whether it's owned in a company or not, then the rebasing date was April, the start of the tax year in April 2019. So it's a bit later. So it's complex whether it's residential or commercial, where there's a business use or there's significant land attached to it, it could still assess for capital gains tax. For any help and guidance on that for expats, contact us at poetpartnership.com.